Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how you can use red onions, a common kitchen ingredient, to make a drink, a natural remedy to combat cold and flu symptoms. Let's quickly go through the process. So I have two red onions. You also need 4 cups of water. So you chop the onions into small chunks, cut it together with the peels. You see that plants, they are immobile, they are stationary. So God has endowed them with ability to protect their cells. And you can see that it will be logical to think that most of their protective properties will be at the outside on their skin to protect. So when you use them with the skin, you are reaping a whole lot of benefits than when you peel out the skin. But ensure that they are clean before you use it. Red onion water made by boiling red onions in water can offer several potential health benefits. It may provide relief from several or various health issues. Let's look at some. Red onions are rich in antioxidants like quercetin, which can help boost immune system. Consuming red onion water may help your body fend off infections and illnesses. Red onion water is known for its ability to provide relief from cold and flu symptoms. The natural compounds in red onions may help alleviate congestion and soothe a sore throat. Once done, add everything into the pot and pour in the 4 cups of water. Make sure they are completely submerged. So, as anti-inflammatory effect, the antioxidants in red onion also have ability to reduce inflammation in the body, potentially providing relief from conditions like arthritis. So you bring it and put it on the stove to boil for about 30 minutes. Red onions also, they are good digestive aids. They support healthy digestion. Consuming this water may help you alleviate digestive discomfort and promote a balanced gut microbiome. Issues of bloating, gaseousness can be relieved with this drink. Red onions can also protect your cells from oxidative stress because of their rich antioxidant effect, potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases like heart diseases and certain types of cancer. Also, studies have shown that red onions can help. So, there you have it. You can now add honey to taste. If you get the real natural honey, you know it's another pharmacy on its own. So, after that, you can put it in a bottle to store it in the fridge when it's cold. And you take a glass. You can take a glass morning and evening. There you are all set to go. You know it's the time of the year again, and preparing this, you can arm your immunity to help you fend off the cold or reduce its severity when you have them. So if you are new, like, share and subscribe. See you in our next video.